I'm Justine Murphy, Senior Editor of Laser Focus World. We're here today at Photonics West, and we're here with Antoine Gervais, Photonics Specialist at EHVA. So why don't you tell me a little bit about what's going on here?
Yeah, hi. So here we have a complete testing and assembly solution for integrated photonics. Aerotech, EHVA, and EXFO will demo an integrated and automated solution for testing and accelerating photonics from lab to fab. We will show you how EHVA Photonics testing software seamlessly integrates EXFO's advanced sweep continuous laser scanning technology with Aerotech's ultra-high precision photonics aligners. We will also show you how the overall results delivers the reliability and efficiency that's needed by the industry.
So your software is driving the equipment. What exactly can it do, and is it specific to this machine?
Well, despite the advances in photonic integrated circuits, testing and manufacturing remains challenging, mainly due to the fact that there's a lack of standard tools. That is why we develop our AI-assisted software for control, automation, and data management. It drives everything: the chips, components, assembly libraries, the test definition, and the execution. It also drives the data analysis and design recommendations. Customers can now begin their journey with a powerful and complete tool on the first day, eliminating delays and complexity, and they can scale and migrate to or from any test or manufacturing bench, thus cutting significant overheads. Once in use, they can track any piece of data at any time across the board, lowering costs and improving product quality. With EHVA, customers are in total control and confident of what they do.
I'm here with Daryl Paul, Photonics Business Development Manager for Aerotech. What impact and benefits do automation and motion solutions have on the photonics testing process?
Sure. So automation currently has a couple limitations to it in the photonics process, where coarse positioners and fine positioners are used in combination to achieve the precision needed to align the optical devices. But what we're doing is we're actually using linear servos that have the ability to directly do that coupling without using coarse positioners, because coarse positioners create error, they create extra time, and they have some stability challenges. And we've really kind of reduced those significantly, which is helping customers do a lot more high performance applications of photonics. It's helping them not just do their precision lab development, but also start allowing them to reach production type capabilities in their system. So the automation system works hand in hand with the test equipment and the test automation software to really provide that integrated solution for the customer and in making that journey from lab to fab very easy.
I'm here with Lawrence Vandervecht, Senior Product Line Manager for EXFO. So Lawrence, what benefits does the CTP10 passive optical component test system bring to the table?
Well, there are quite a few things that differentiates the CTP10. With measurement time in mind, it is the fastest system on the market. Second, it features one dynamic range optical power meter, so it measures the dynamic range all in one go. Secondly, it features an optical interface between the tunable laser source or sources and the CTP10, which allows for most accurate and repeatable measurements. And lastly, it's the perfect system to interface with any third-party handler system like the one shown here from Aerotech, and with process software as shown here from EHVA.